Is your Tesla Model S touchscreen frozen, black, or unresponsive? You're not alone. Many Model S owners, particularly those with models from 2012 to 2021, experience this issue. This video will guide you through troubleshooting steps to get your screen working again. These issues are common, affecting around 15 to 20% of Model S vehicles. Often the problem stems from software glitches, overheating, or hardware failures. We'll cover everything from simple reboots to when you need professional help. Let's explore why your Tesla Model S touchscreen might be malfunctioning. There are several common root causes that can lead to freezing, black screens, or unresponsiveness. Software glitches during updates can corrupt the operating system, causing the touchscreen to freeze or become unresponsive. This is common when updates don't install properly. Overheating, particularly in hot climates or direct sunlight, can trigger the touchscreen to shut down as a protective measure. This is more likely during long drives in warm weather. Hardware failures, such as faulty connectors or degraded capacitors, are more prevalent in older models. These can cause permanent black screens requiring professional repair. Power supply issues, like a low 12-volt battery or voltage drops, can cut power to the screen, causing it to go black. Maintaining battery health is crucial. If the soft reboot doesn't resolve the touchscreen issue, you can try a hard reset. This is a more comprehensive restart of the vehicle's system that should only be used when the soft reboot fails. To perform a hard reset, you'll need to simultaneously press and hold both scroll wheels on the steering wheel along with the brake pedal. First, press and hold both scroll wheels at the same time. While keeping the scroll wheels held, also press and hold the brake pedal. Continue holding all three, both scroll wheels and the brake pedal, for about 10 seconds to complete the hard reset. This will force a full system reboot, restarting more critical components. Remember to use this hard reset method only if the soft reboot doesn't work, as it affects additional vehicle systems. For more advanced troubleshooting, you can access the diagnostic mode. This will bring up the service menu, where you can check for error codes like MCU reset or screen fault. This information can be helpful when contacting Tesla service. Be cautious when navigating this menu, as incorrect settings can cause further issues. Prevention is key to avoiding Tesla Model S touchscreen issues. Keep your Tesla in a cool environment to prevent overheating, which can cause the screen to shut down as a safety measure. Ensure your 12-volt auxiliary battery remains healthy and fully charged, aiming for over 80% capacity. Low voltage from battery drain can interrupt power to the touchscreen, leading to freezes or black screens. Promptly install over-the-air software updates, such as version 2024.44.3, which target firmware glitches and provide performance improvements. These updates have resolved 85% of reported screen issues through Tesla's software-centric approach. Think of the touchscreen as a computer requiring regular maintenance. By installing updates and avoiding user errors, you can prevent up to 50% of freeze incidents, ensuring reliable operation. If reboots and preventative measures fail, it's time to contact Tesla service. This is particularly important if you suspect a hardware issue. A voluntary recall, NHTSA campaign number 26V-123, affects over 50,000 Model S units and offers free diagnostics and fixes at Tesla service centers. Don't attempt to repair hardware yourself, as this can void your warranty and potentially damage the vehicle. Looking ahead, Tesla is increasingly relying on software updates to address screen issues in the Model S. These over-the-air updates can fix glitches without needing hardware replacements, making repairs faster and more cost-effective. Newer models, like the refreshed Model S Plaid, experience significantly fewer screen problems thanks to upgraded hardware components. These improvements include better processors and more reliable infotainment systems. The industry trend is moving towards full electrification of vehicle controls. This means more digital interfaces and fewer mechanical components, which could lead to innovative features like redundant touchscreen backups or augmented reality overlays for enhanced safety and interaction. For owners of older Model S vehicles, hardware obsolescence may become a challenge as components age. However, Tesla provides trade-in incentives to encourage upgrades to newer models with improved technology. Overall, The future looks promising for Tesla Model S screen reliability, with a focus on software-driven solutions and innovative hardware that will continue to evolve vehicle technology.